Darwin's idea was relatively simple. He said that individual creatures evolved from a single cell and then branched out into various other phyla and then became a part of the whole tree of life. In fact, we don't find that to be true. We don't find any development taking place in the fossil record. What we do find is at one point we have an explosion of life called the Cambrian explosion, in which seemingly all life came into being at one time. One of the greatest disappointments of the evolutionary scientists, that there's no fossil record to support their views. I do see a turnaround taking place today in our culture, because I think a lot of people are realizing that the theory of evolution not only has no science to back it up, but it's hopeless. That there is no hope at the end of Darwin's scenario. If you continue to believe what Darwin taught, your life is meaningless, and you're going nowhere, and you have nothing that you can hope for in the long run. No hope of eternity for sure. The good news is that the people aren't buying it. 83% of Americans still say they believe in God. In fact, 40% of scientists today believe in God and believe that God created the world. Not all of them necessarily are Christians or even theistic in their imagination, but they believe that there's a divine intelligence. One of the nice concepts behind this book is that it's a small book. It's small in format, it's not very long in pages, it's something that can be consumed by a reader probably in 1 or 2 sittings, and they can learn a great deal from it. We've kept the language fairly straightforward and simple so that people can get into it, learn something, and I'm hoping that people will pass it on. Thanks to space-age technology, to microscopes and high-tech scanning devices that can look into the human anatomy and to the molecular cells of the body, are discovering truths that would have boggled Darwin's mind.